If you're a wild sleeper and looking for a way to keep your sheets in place while you're sleeping all night, then these here are for you. Gadget Junkie here. In this video, I'm featuring these bed sheet holders that were sent over to me to showcase for you guys. I've already got 3 installed on my bed. I pulled this one off so that I can show it to you guys. So this here is an ABS plastic holder here. Pretty simple in design. You get 4 of them, obviously. You're going to get the holder, and then you're also going to get these here clamps here for securing your sheets. They also provide you with an instruction guide here. It's pretty easy to use, guys. So basically these here are going to fit everything from a twin up to a California king bed. Installation is super simple. You're going to put this here underneath the mattress, pull your fitted sheet over the top of it. If this is the foot of your bed, you're also going to pull in your flat sheet, tuck everything under, and then you're going to put these here over these ridges here. What that does, that secures your sheets so that when you're pulling on it at night as you're tossing and turning, the sheets aren't coming up off the mattress. So pretty unique design here, guys. This here has made getting a good night's sleep for me incredibly much better. So if you guys look for a way to keep your sheets in place while you're tossing and turning all night, I highly recommend these bed sheet holders. I hope this helps.